said, collaboration is a two-way street, and I want to reaffirm the role of national governments and the forum in the protection and advancement of human rights in the region. With the cherished support of the forum, the Marshall Islands is grateful to have assumed a second term in the United Nations Human Rights Council for the term 2025 to 2027. RMI is the only Pacific Island nation sitting on the council, and we intend to use this opportunity to bring tangible benefits to our region and our Pacific family. Our key goals at the Human Rights Council are to, one, ensure accountability and active dialogue with responsible actors to address complex human rights situations. Situations like the Pacific nuclear legacies, risks from remnants of war, like the unexploded ordnance in the Solomon Islands, and persistent concerns in our region and globally, including in West Papua, as mentioned, and other areas.